Hello, Dr. Mountain and my classmate. This is Annie Turner once again, answering thread number 2 for week 4. It asks us to find a product that we like and decide whether or not it's high involvement learning and whether or not it's global. Well, one of my best products that I really, truly enjoy is the Revlon makeup. Like I say, I do production, so we deal with all types of skin types, so it takes a lot to really get that perfect makeup, because we're dealing with different skin colors all the time, and so all doesn't work. So so my choice is the Revlon Nearly Naked cosmetic. It's a highly involved learning for the consumer, and it will be classified in conditioning stage. It will be like classical conditioning, and with classical condition, as you know, is where you find the product. In this case, you find the shade, you apply it to the skin tone, and the end results are beautiful. So, and when they're doing the finding, you look for the display, and it comes up with a different skin tone type. You learn how to apply the liquid. You learn how to remove the liquid from the face. So it's a high involved stage. It's a process to learn before you decide whether or not this is the product for you. And the advertisement ads that they show is very beneficial, because the advertisement, seeing the different skin tones, seeing the before and the afterwards, will make you think and really decide, is this the product that I want to use, that I want to be involved in. So it's a high involvement process. It's a learning process. It's by Revlon. So Revlon is a global company. You can find them in Australia, France, New Zealand, South Africa, the UK. And they recently, about a couple years ago, they had a senior vice president would be chief of global marketing. And they strive on having opportunities to build their brand world-class marketing all across the board, all across the regions. And they're visionary people. They're marketing visionary people. And they're always looking for new ideas to add to their global portfolio. So my product for this second thread will be Revlon Nearly Naked. Like I said, it's high involvement learning. It's a process, and this is it. And thank you very much.